I'm Katja Frieler. I work at the Potsdam Institute for Climate Impact Research, and I lead work package 4 of the Helix project, which is the work package for biophysical impact projections. So it is, so on the one hand side we have the climate change, and then there are other impacts where the climate is in somehow. So it's agricultural change, changes in crop yields, it's changes in flood events, the frequency and the intensity, it's droughts, and it's changes in the infrastructure due to sea level rise, for example, and it's these kind of impacts that we are interested in. So it's something that is forced by the climate change. So we have different models that can actually describe the processes that are relevant. So they all need the information about the climate change. So if you imagine a crop model, you need the information about temperature and temperature about a critical threshold, or the information about precipitation. And all these information is fed into the crop model, and then the model tries to represent the relevant processes, so growing phases of the crop, and then in the end the yield, and that's the output of the model. And for hydrological models you also need, for example, the temperature and precipitation to calculate the runoff, so the water that is actually left on the ground after evaporation, and then you can aggregate it and calculate the flood risk, for example.